Today we are going to talk about the camera features of Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra versus iPhone 15 Pro Max. Which phone has the best camera? Watch the full video. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has 200MP plus 12MP plus 12MP plus 12MP camera on the rear camera. On the other hand, the rear camera of iPhone 15 Pro Max is 48MP plus 12MP plus 12MP plus 12MP. As a result, the comparable Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra win in terms of rear camera. Now let's talk about the selfie camera of both phones. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has a 12MP camera, which is similar to what we see on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now I am talking about the video recording format of both phones. We can see 8K 30fps recording on both the phones, which is the same as Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now if I talk about the selfie video recording format of both the phones, so both the phone have 4K 60fps video recording option, which is exactly the same. Basically, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra use 200MP in the rear camera. It's beat the iPhone 15 Pro Max because in this case the iPhone 15 Pro Max has a 48MP rear camera.